You are going to learn about one of the most simple ways to make money online. I am going to show you a website where you can earn 20 bucks for every 3 minutes you put in. But there's a catch. If you are too lazy to watch the entire video, you won't be able to make money online. But if you're serious about making money online, you must follow each and every step outlined in this video. It is completely free and it works all over the world. If you're interested, let's get started. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you will be notified anytime I submit a new video. The first thing you need to do is grab your own device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, computer, or laptop. As long as you have an internet connection and a device that you can use, you're good to start. Now is the time to go to google.com. I will walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along with me in this video. But for now, go to google.com. Once you've opened Google, the next thing you will need to do is search for the keyword Capterra. So type CAPTRRA into the search box and press enter. And now, I'd like to direct you to this page where you may read about top software at Capterra Software and software reviews, and you should know that this is a website that pays you to write reviews for various software and programs. Don't worry, you don't have to acquire or utilize those apps. You can perform the work in less than 3 minutes without them. As you can see, there are a lot of categories to pick from, and inside each area, there are hundreds of different software to choose from. So you may leave feedback on all of the digital items that are now accessible. Stick with me and I'll show you how to finish the method in less than 3 minutes and earn 20 bucks again and again without ever having to buy or open the program. And to persuade you that this website is legitimate and that people profit from it, they are quick to inform you that it has over 1 million verified software reviews. You may be wondering why they would pay you $20 for each review you submit that takes less than 180 seconds to finish. That is because the product owner is willing to pay you that much money, since having a lot of great reviews and comments provides them social proof, which means they will be able to sell a lot more as a consequence of their investment, making it a win-win scenario for both of you. Before we go any further, please give the video a big thumbs up, and if you found this lesson useful, please leave a comment down below for me to evaluate. Now let's get back to work. Anyway, once you've arrived at Capterra.com, the third step is to click here when it says submit a review. You'll be taken to the next page where you will find hundreds of different companies and thousands of different things to review. Then right here in the search box, you can look for those specific products and connect with other software customers. The reason why reviews are so important is that when someone wants to buy software or a digital product, they will most likely go online and look up what other people have said about it. And if the reviews are positive, they are more likely to buy the software or product, which is why Capterra is so eager to reward you. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will be able to rate and review the items you see here. These are just a few of the most popular software that you may evaluate, but here are literally hundreds more that you can review and make money with. As a result, there will be plenty of ways to benefit from Capterra.com. When you select Browse Categories, you will be presented with a choice of different software categories to choose from. Business software, marketing software, and other sorts of software are accessible. Based on the reviews you offer, each of the applications you will review will pay you real money. As you can see, the website has a lot of potential on its own. Let's say you want to look at this one here called Asana. Here is a short trick that will save you a lot of time and money instead of just clicking on it and publishing the review straight away. The next step is to open a new tab and search for the software's reviews. For example, Asana Reviews or Asana Reviews Capterra. You can also find all of the different reviews here on the website from which you can get an idea. So go ahead and click this link. Now I can see how other people are submitting feedback. As you can see, this is an example of a successful review. You can read what he had to say about Asana here, and with this knowledge, you will be able to analyze the program without having to buy it. You may, of course, change the concept and make it your own, but don't copy and paste their evaluations. You won't make money if you do, and it won't work. You can only infer what they thought of the program based on their reviews. And because you won't have to buy the product and spend hundreds of dollars only to write a review, this strategy will save you a lot of time reading over it to learn everything there is to know about it. Instead, you could just read the reviews and extract the most relevant data, such as their overall experience with the product, and then write your own review. This is how you get an idea and how you can make a lot of money writing reviews without having to buy the product. Now that you've learned a lot about this, let me show you an example of how to really finish the review and be paid. To do so, go to Capterra and click on Write a Review, and you will be led to the next page. Let's say I want to write a review for Asana. Simply click on it to get to Submit a Review page where you will be asked to fill out some information about yourself. I'd want you to put in your first and last names as well as your email address and any other personal information, and then they will ask you some further questions such as how often you use this program. Picking monthly or other as a choice will suggest that you aren't using the product regularly enough, and your review will most likely be denied. Thus, I recommend choosing daily or weekly. We will go on to the next stage, which is to determine your role in utilizing this program by selecting User from the drop-down option. That was the first of 3 processes that must be completed, so let's move on to the next. Now, all you have to do is rate the software as well as its overall value. To determine the software's overall quality, simply go back and read what other people had to say, and this one received a 5 out of 5 ratings. Trust me when I say that the better review you write and the more positive feedback you provide, the better your chances of making money are. They are less inclined to accept someone who consistently gives things 1 star, so if the program is excellent based on other people's evaluations, it is always preferable to submit 5-star reviews. You can see how simple it is to use and give it a 4 or 5. For this one, 5, and this one, 5, maybe 4 for this one, and this one 5 right now. All of these things are optional. Other elements can be rated if desired, and this is also an option. However, the more tasks you accomplish, the higher your chances of earning money are. So if you don't mind picking a few of them and don't feel forced to do them all, you may reply to the question, how is the cost compared to similar items, by saying much too expensive, mid-tier, or affordable at all, and I would choose inexpensive at all. The following question is, how likely are you to recommend this application to a friend or colleague? In this case, I'd say 8 out of 10. Of course, my replies will vary based on the software you are looking at. Simply click Next to go to the next stage where you must title your review. You may also get information from other people's evaluations, such as a practical approach to organize my daily duties and projects. After you've decided on a title for your review, you will write it. In my case, I will use the statement Very Simple Tool for daily tasks. After that, you will write the benefits and drawbacks. Finally, you will respond to the question, what did you like best about this software and what did you dislike most about it? As previously said, you may now take an idea from someone else's review and express it in your own words. The following step is optional. However, completing it and filling out this form will boost your chances of obtaining more money. As you may be aware, the more forms you fill out and the more information you supply, the more money you will make, since your evaluations will be approved by a larger number of software developers. As a result, even if it says optional, try not to leave any gaps and instead fill out all of them. I know it will just take you less than 3 minutes to finish all of that, but it will be well worth it when you are asked whether you want to switch to another product, and you can simply say yes, no, or I'm not sure. If you say yes, you should demonstrate to them the product you are switching to. Now, if you switch to Wrike, as we did in the prior example, I can look it up right here and find where it says Wrike. After scrolling down, you must click the last sentence, which says that by submitting this review, I certify to Capterra and its affiliates that I am the person I represented to be. Just a reminder, while filling out the form, you should have used your real, first, and last names, then click Submit to finish the process. All of this will take you less than 2 minutes, and you will be given $20 for a single review. As I've shown you, you can also evaluate all of this software, and as you can see, there is a lot of software in various categories for which you can submit evaluations, so there will surely be a lot of money to be made through this website. What are you waiting for? Go to Capterra.com and start examining a variety of software goods while also providing your own input to optimize your benefits. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.